What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been about 7 days since I last posted. I've just been working on an album. I'm done recording it now, so I'm about to be back on the YouTube platform with consistency. I miss y'all though. I hope everybody's been good and healthy, and yeah, I've been good and healthy. So let's get back to exploring the world. Today I'm about to go do one apartment tour at least, so stay tuned for that. But if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for me, and hit that notifications bell. So yeah, I miss y'all, man. Let's go see a new apartment. Nice little kitchen over there. Got a TV, fan, little dining table. Got a big closet, bed, not much lighting, but, well, you do get lighting. Lighting right here with a mountain view. Then you get some lighting through there. Yeah. Closets, closing. No. Oh, okay, yeah. Closets are cool. Clean. You got another desk right here. Slide out. Storage space in there. The bed is like a, it's at least a, it's honestly a king size. It's a king size bed. Here goes your restroom. Spacious. It's a wet bathroom. No shower door. This is your kitchen. It's clean. Like, the apartment is being used right now by somebody, but it's clean still. Like, the person isn't damaging anything. They just haven't like cleaned their room today. You got a washing machine, some modern Toshiba. You just kind of got a random view out of there, but you can let more fresh air in because of that. And this slides open. One burner. Nice drying rack right over the sink. Your balcony, oh. Your balcony fully opens. Get a view. And there's street noise right there, but when you close this, you don't hear it no more. Here's your fridge. Normal fridge. I'm used to this fridge here. Yeah. TCL TV. Yeah, TCL TV. All right, cool. How much is this per month?
6 million.
6 million.
Yeah.
All right, cool. That is like 230 USD per month. You get a balcony, a washing machine, desk, king size bed, smart TV. Yeah, it's definitely a smart TV because of this remote. Yeah. Kitchen, a lot of closet space for less than I pay right now. So, cool. And then there's one more little ventilation hole on top of your bed right there. So yeah, guys, this is the scale of this apartment. I'm gonna think about it. Come on. All right, guys, so I'm at this place called Sing Fucha now. They have this drink called the Tornado that they recommended to me. I'm about to try it, and then I'm gonna go hang out with the guys because it's a sunny day. So let me see what this drink tastes like. Yeah, we get into, but this is the scale of what's here though.